Something strange is happening to one of the most famous stars in the night sky. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the Orion constellation, has been acting unusual. Is it about to explode? Will we witness a supernova in our lifetime? Stay with us as we dive deep into the mystery of Betelgeuse and uncover whether a cosmic spectacle is about to unfold. Betelgeuse is one of the largest and brightest stars visible to the naked eye. Sitting about 640 light-years away, this red supergiant is a dying star, nearing the end of its life cycle. In comparison to our Sun, Betelgeuse is over 1,000 times larger and a staggering 100,000 times more luminous. If it replaced the Sun in our solar system, it would extend past the orbit of Jupiter. But the real question is, when will it explode? Scientists have long suspected that Betelgeuse is on the verge of a supernova, but recent changes in its brightness have sparked fresh speculation. In late 2019 and early 2020, astronomers noticed something strange. Betelgeuse began dimming dramatically, losing nearly 60% of its brightness. This sudden drop in brightness led many to believe that a supernova was imminent. But then, something even more unexpected happened. Betelgeuse brightened again. Scientists soon discovered that this dimming wasn't a sign of an imminent explosion, but rather a gigantic cloud of dust ejected from the star, temporarily blocking its light. So, does this mean we won't see Betelgeuse explode anytime soon? Unfortunately, the answer is, probably not. Astronomers estimate that Betelgeuse will go supernova sometime within the next 100,000 years, a blink of an eye in cosmic terms, but quite a long time in human lifespans. But when it does explode, the supernova will be so bright that it will be visible even during the daytime, shining as bright as the full moon for weeks. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a new, brilliant light where Betelgeuse once stood. Would an explosion of this magnitude be dangerous to Earth? Thankfully, no. At 640 light-years away, Betelgeuse is far enough that its supernova won't harm us. However, it will provide an unprecedented opportunity for astronomers to study an exploding star in real time. Supernovae play a crucial role in the universe. They create and distribute heavy elements like iron, gold, and uranium, essential for planets and even life itself. In a way, we are all made of stardust, and Betelgeuse's eventual explosion will contribute to the cosmic cycle of creation. So, is Betelgeuse about to explode? Probably not in our lifetime, but its unpredictable behavior keeps astronomers on their toes. The mystery of Betelgeuse is a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. What do you think? Will we witness a supernova in our lifetime, or is Betelgeuse still keeping its biggest surprise hidden? Let us know in the comments below, and if you love exploring the wonders of the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating space discoveries. See you in the next video. Keep looking up.